Rolling. I should turn right. Turn right, yeah?
Yeah. Sounding very different.
To the MGB.
Well, to anything, really.
To anything. What are you using the comparison basis as to? All cars being previous.
Yes. Different concept, really.
Straight on?
Yeah.
Yeah, but the ride is, for a sports car, supercar almost, the ride is pretty good, even down roads like this.
Well, I mean, as regards supercars, I think it depends how you define them. I think this is the only one I've been in, I think. I drove the Ferrari round Goodwood, and an AC Cobra, but they're somewhat different.
Well, at least there you can really open it up, right?
Yeah.
You can feel that even at relatively slow speeds, it's got a bit of torque. But as I say, it doesn't really, this car doesn't really get properly exciting until about 5,000 RPM.
Well, yeah,
that's when it's just coming alive.
I've got a similar thing with the MG actually, because I've got stage 2 head, fast road cam, etc., etc. And that wakes up at, definitely wakes up at about 3.5. That's where the power comes in, or 90 brake horse or whatever it is. No, it's a bit more than that, standard.
Yeah, if I go into track mode for the handling. Not too long, so
okay, that's right.
This way.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, the aircon's not the coldest in here, but it does the job.
It's comfortable. So you don't get fed up with it?
No. I feel it's got quite a bit of a kick though on the gear changes. Yeah, it's very nice, very smooth, very linear. Great feel when the turbo kicks in. On the whole, just very nice, very well behaved car. How does that compare to the MG? What's the man?
Sorry,
how does that compare to the MG, alright?
Well, I think the MG is on par. I just wonder, I mean, have you ever thought of putting it on as a track day car occasionally?
I've taken these out for track days, they're great fun.
Yeah.
Just not my one because there's a slight trepidation about what might happen to it. Should something
Well, I one or something.
Yeah. But yeah, it's a pretty nice car.
Yeah.
It behaves very well.
It reminds me, if I haven't said it already, about the Lotus Carlton on the Autobahn.
Yes, you did say that. Yeah.
So, motoring correspondent did a write-up. And he enjoyed it till he got up to about 140.
Right.
Go very light on this. How often do you do that?
Not all the time. Not all the time. Sometimes.
Yeah, it's a different world, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it really is.
I've not come across acceleration like that before.
Yeah, it's quite a burst. But yeah, I'm used used to it now, so I need something faster.
So down here, when you get to the roundabout, the junction, you can either go right and back up the lanes to home.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I should. I've got to take Hannah out for dinner tonight for efforts, I think.
Alright, go somewhere good?
No, just local. She doesn't know yet. A bit of a surprise.
Okay.
But that's what I like about this car. I can do that and then also float about quite nicely.
Yeah.
You wouldn't really know right now. You in a crazy car until, apart from maybe the seating position.
Right. So it's right round.
All the way back.
Yeah, it's up where that blue car is, just up there.
Up there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, gotcha.
It's about 5 miles up the road. Well, you came in this way.
I did, yes. The turn in on it is just, it's insane. Ready for the brakes? That was
a millimetre off the tyres.
Yeah. So, yeah, the only thing with roads like this, when you can't see what's going around the corner,
No, that's right.
you'd be daft to smash it. I'm smashing down here.
Absolutely.
But yeah, it's really enjoy the car. I really do.
So this came from a second-hand car dealer.
It did, yeah. Big Tonys, Swiss Tonys.
Swiss Tony.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was quite taken. And the other one which I found surprising was the Cerberus. Not Cerberus, the one before it. The
Griffin? Yeah. Griffith, sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love a TDR.
That went like...
You used to see quite a lot of them on the roads, but not anymore.
No. It's why one of my friends, and the downside with that was, again, it was very heavy. Although, when you got it going better, it lightened up. But I think when you've got gears to play with, I think the nicest thing is, okay, different world, but like the mini gears, they stick in like, so easily, just click, click, click. When you're in a motor with that much power, to have to sort of chuck the gears in and out, like a steam engine is, kind of takes the edge off it, for me anyway.
Yeah.
But apparently the later ones, what came was it? Cerberus came after.
Cerberus came after the 50, yeah. The Cigaris, then
yeah, well, the Cerberus was...
I love that. Cerberus is one of my favourite cars ever still. I lusted after it as an adolescent, and obviously didn't have the money to afford one. And then of course, now here we are in this, because better things have come along since that. And I think they go for quite good money now, good Cerberus, 35, 40 grand maybe.
Really?
Yeah.
Because the one he had after that, I don't know if it was a Cigaris, but I lost track of the models, but my neighbour, who was also into that sort of thing, thought he'd lost his lost his mind rather, because he bought the one with the TBR designed 6-cylinder engine.
Right. Yeah.
And he had nothing but trouble with it.
Yeah.
So it was always being repaired.
But they were Rover engines before that, weren't they?
The V8s were stretch Rover engines. The 6-cylinder, whichever one that was in, the later ones, was a TBR design. It was a TBR engine, I understand. And that's, so he said, why it was troublesome as much as it still had gremlins here and there, whatever they were, I don't know.
They did I think it was a Cerberus on Wheeler Dealer. I don't know if you've seen that thing there. Where's the line away from this?
I think if you go up into that wide bit in front of the wide, that's it.
Yeah, They did one on Wheeler Dealers, so this thing where they get an old banger in, they do it up.
Yeah, I've watched it.
With Ed China and Mike Brewer, yeah. So they did a server on that, and they pulled the body shell off it, and it was just basically about to fall apart.
Yeah,
The whole thing was gone. So they needed a whole new subframe in this thing. And yeah, I think that's why you don't see so many of them around anymore, right?
That's right. And also, I watched an episode yesterday, actually.
Shame.
Where they did a Morgan.
Oh, right.
And they did the same thing. It was the chap they bought it from said it was around £100 to do a chassis on. And it was when in China was still working, he reckoned it was about 150. And they had to strip the whole thing out, obviously, to get the body off. And the chassis was one of the early ones, so it wasn't protected properly. It was just a mess.
Yeah.
But the thing that surprised me was they went to Volvo and got another chassis, 600 quid.
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah, galvanised chassis for a Volvo, 600 quid. You know, pay 30 grand for a Volvo chassis, 600 quid.
Yeah, they're just so much fun, cars like that, aren't they?
Yeah, the only thing I found with the Morgan was the steering wheel's a bit close.
Right.
The cockpit's not long enough for me. I like to do this. I don't like getting right next. But there's, I suppose they're different now because there's so many different models out there on the same basis. But yeah, the one I tried, it's fun, it's great, but just not quite enough space.
Yeah, the options you've got as a taller guy with cars become limited. I think the taller you go, the more limited it becomes a shame.
I was thinking it's just that, a shame in China.
Yeah.
Because a lot of the things he's worked on, you can't drive because his leg is too long.
Yep.
So, mind you, I mean...
I'll show you a photo when we get out. I think you'll appreciate it.
I think really that series was entertaining.
Yeah,
but you know,
a bit annoying at times.
Well, Mike Brewer, I don't like him anyway. He is annoying.
Yeah, I think I'm of the same. If he does watch this, sorry, Mike.
Yeah. The other thing was the fact that we're going to make this much profit. The losses on those things must have been colossal.
Yeah.
So it was entertainment, which was good.
Yeah, I like Ed China a lot. I think he knows his stuff. He's a local-ish boy, I think. I'm pretty sure. I used to see him driving his sofa cart around Farnborough quite a bit. There we go.
Gentlemen.
Excellent.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to Ed China.
He's still around. He does stuff on YouTube, yeah.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought he was, I preferred him to the later one, I don't know what his and somebody.
Yeah, and that's yourself. Yeah, I can't remember his name.
I think Ed China came across better.
Yeah. So we've already just got sick of Mike.
Yeah,
bringing all these cars.
Mike got sick of it. By the way, I think there's sparks there somewhere. I'm sure. Oh well, that was quite an experience.
Yeah, probably good for you to get out.
Well, I've never accelerated at that rate before.
Yeah, it's different, isn't it?
Maybe that's what an astronaut feels like when they're being launched.
Quite possibly. Quite possibly. Yeah, slightly more nerve-wracking experience on the whole, I think, out there. No looking back when you're in one of those.
There's going to be quite a few more happening before too long.
Yep, absolutely.
Elon Musk is joining the ranks, isn't he?
Yeah, Jeff Bezos as well is warming up.
They're going to be launched, aren't they?
Yeah, somebody just paid 20 million to go up with Jeff Bezos.
Yeah. I yeah, they have a spare seat, I believe.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh, I wonder what that was. I think I'd rather stay on Terra